Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 5, Rocks and Minerals. So let's start. Students, you have already learned in your previous classes that the earth is made up of soil and rocks. And do you know, many of the things that we use in our daily life are made from different kinds of rocks, and each rock is made up of different minerals, and these minerals are the building blocks of rocks. And rocks are of different types. Depending on the way the rocks are formed, they are grouped into three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. And in today's class, we are going to learn about igneous rocks in detail. As you can see in the picture, that the earth can be divided into three layers: crust, mantle, and core. Now let's learn how are igneous rocks formed. As in class 4, you have learned that the earth's core is made up of molten rocks. When these molten rocks flow out from the Earth's interior to the surface, when a volcano erupts, these rocks cool down and solidify to form igneous rocks. Solidify means to become hard or solid. As you can see in the picture, that the molten rock inside the earth is called magma, but when it flows out onto the surface, it is called lava. And the cooled lava leads to the formation of different types of igneous rocks. And let me tell you that almost 95% of the earth's crust is made up of igneous rocks. Now let's learn about few examples of igneous rocks. So the very first one you can see is granite. It is very hard and is formed by the slow cooling of lava. It comes in many colors and patterns and is used as a building material for making kitchen counters and floors. I hope you must have seen this rock in the kitchen of your homes as a countertop. Our next example of igneous rock is pumice. It is porous, means it is full of holes, and is formed from the lava that is frothy, with a lot of air in it. What do you mean by frothy? Frothy means full of small bubbles. It is the only rock that can float because it is very light in weight, and it is used in building materials such as concrete blocks. You must have seen foot scrubber at your homes. What is that? That is actually a pumice rock only. The third and last example of igneous rocks we are going to study today is obsidian. It is smooth and glassy and is formed by the quick cooling of lava. It is usually black or dark colored and is used in making jewelry and ornaments. So students, this was all about today's class. I hope you must have understood that how the igneous rocks are formed and what are their examples and uses very well. Do watch the video again for better understanding of the concepts. Thank you. Have a nice day.